Welcome to Purple Trading. If you are new to trading or you are familiar with the MetaQuotes MT4 and are looking to switch to Purple Trading cTrader, we invite you to watch our video series on the differences between the two platforms. In this video, we will look at risk and trade management and the benefits of cTrader over MT4. MT4 is undoubtedly the most popular trading platform in the world, but there is one area where it is truly lacking. When you place a market order or a pending order, there is no facility to calculate your position size. Over the years, retail traders have blown up accounts and have had serious problems with trading psychology due to the fact that they trade with position sizes that are too large. Once you open a market order and you realize that you are very quickly past your planned risk per trade, it is too late. At this point, you are not trading, you are gambling. This is not an issue with cTrader as your risk is displayed for you well before you place an order. Even with the simplest market order, ticking the stop-loss box displays everything you need to know and to modify before entering the market. For example, let's say that we want to short the market here and we know where we want to place our stop-loss. We measure the distance in pips and enter the figure into the pips box. We can then adjust our quantity in lots to match both the risk per trade and percentage balance and monetary negative profit. You may then scroll over the quantity box to get the complete picture of the potential trade, including the pip value in the quote and account currency and the total risk in both currencies. You see the commission required and even the equity percentage risk. None of this important pre-trade information is displayed on MT4. Of course, your take profit may be set in the same way. Pending orders also have the same level of information, keeping your account safe. Stop loss and take profit may be adjusted on the chart, just as you may in MT4, but you have the option of deleting directly from the chart. Just as with MT4, you may double-click to create a Modify Position pop-up box, but the cTrader desktop box is fully detachable. You have full control and oversight of your risk with open positions, and you may increase your quantity or partially close positions while having the ability to study an independent chart of the pair with timeframes and indicators. On cTrader, you may reverse position, which closes the current position and opens a new position with the same lot size in the opposite direction. You may double position, which maintains the current position but doubles the quantity. And click Advanced Protection for Advanced Stop Loss and Advanced Take Profit, where you may move stop loss to break even at a predetermined level of pips and scale out of your positions at predetermined take profit levels. Your chart will inform you of advanced protection in place. Also, you may specify your market range, which is the maximum amount of slippage that you will accept. Let's go to Settings in the menu. Another feature which you will not find at MT4 is the ability to set market range, stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop automatically when using QuickTrade. For a different set of QuickTrade automatic parameters, you may simply change these settings in a different workspace. Also, on MT4 Mobile, there is no oversight of risk. On cTrader Mobile, Android and iOS, however, you will find all the same control and transparency as you do with cTrader Desktop and Web. Again, automatic risk parameters may be set for QuickTrade for trading with a view of the respective chart. A standard order ticket is also available to accurately monitor your risk in account balance percentage or the quantity of account currency. You have the same control over quantity, market range, stop loss, and take profit. Of course, on open positions or pending orders, you may adjust your take profit and stop loss directly from the charts. And in closing, all versions of MT4 will not allow you to move your stop loss or take profit when the markets are closed, like the weekends. cTrader will allow you to do both. Whether you are a beginning trader or have experience trading on other platforms, we hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be purple.